To all the Chevy Silverado owners out there, thank you for making Chevy Silverado the #1 best-selling retail full-size pickup.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Happy Friday, folks. Ben Luna here with you in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center for this March 8th edition of Your Weather Today. All right, conditions will be kind of yucky now through tomorrow before things really start to look up again in our favor by Sunday evening and then on into Monday and Tuesday of next week. I really think we're looking okay, but to get to that point, again, we've got to go through some kind of rocky weather across the area. I'll break it down for you. We'll start this morning with weather headlines. Lots of rain on deck for today. That also includes isolated thunderstorms across parts of the area. Now, we could be looking at some stronger storm activity off to the south here over the course of today and into tomorrow. We are watching that carefully. If we do start to see a little bit of rocky weather, of course, we'll hop right on for you and we'll let you know what we're seeing from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. With that will come some really gusty wind activity today and into tomorrow as a low pressure system crosses over the area. More on that in just a few minutes. And then we will finally clear and warm up as we roll into Sunday and then on into Monday and Tuesday when that warmer air will be back in place across the Tennessee Valley. Here's a look at satellite radar over the past 24 hours. Notice this warm sector that's approaching the region. We'll be contending with that today, and that's going to help to fuel this rain and thunderstorm activity across the area. But as it stands now, the rockiest of the storms should be to our south and southeast, but again, we'll be keeping eyes on if some of that wants to find its way into our neck of the woods. Here's a look at Futurecast for you as we head through the course of today. Locally, heavy rainfall is likely across the entire viewing area for you. Again, sometimes during the course of this event, you could be looking at some thunderstorms in the mix, but a good blanket, moderate to heavy rainfall is likely on and off all the way through tonight. And this even continues for a while into the overnight and Saturday morning for just a little bit before this moisture finally moves out of the area into around the mid-morning hours of Saturday. But behind this will be cooler weather, also gusty winds will be a factor as well today and into tomorrow. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, here's a look by this evening. 3/4 of an inch will have fallen in the Lawrenceburg area, about the same in Columbia, just over an inch for folks in the Lauderdale County area, the same in Limestone County, almost 3/4 of an inch back over in Tishomingo County, Mississippi. By tomorrow morning, once we start to really wind down with the amount of rain across the area, this is what I think we're going to ultimately wind up with. And keep in mind, we might see this shift just a little bit, so don't hold this to gospel truth, but know that we could be looking at anywhere from 1 to possibly up to 3 inches of rainfall over the course of the next 24 to 36 hours. Now, we finally again dry out as we head into Saturday afternoon, but winds, hold on to the hairpiece because it is going to be windy here over the course of the next 24 to 36 hours. Sustained winds 10 to 20 miles per hour likely, but check out wind gusts over the course of the next couple of days. 30 mile per hour gusts possible this evening in Lawrenceburg. That tops out 32 to 31 across northwest Alabama. And wind gusts could exceed again 30 to 40 miles per hour tonight and then into tomorrow for just a while as that colder air rushes into the region behind that cold front. So some drastic changes in weather coming for today and into tomorrow. But then we'll finally start to look on the brighter side of things beginning into Saturday night when skies finally start to really clear out. And then by Sunday midday, I think we're looking A-OK across the area. It's going to be a little bit cooler, but check out how nice and clear it is by Sunday. Again, late morning hours and then partly cloudy skies will be in place Sunday night, and that'll carry us into Monday. But weather here for the next few days beginning next week, again, looking really, really nice. Here's a look at your Parks Lumber Day Builder forecast. Showers building in across the area. Thunderstorms possible as well. Highs this afternoon still very mild, well into the upper 60s. A few folks again possible will be seeing the low 70s, especially in North Alabama. Here's a breakdown for the next 7 days fresh from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Showers and storms likely again for today. There's a chance a few of those might want to be rocky to the south, but we'll keep eyes on that for you. We'll be fully staffed here in the Weather Center, tracking that heavy rain all day long and into tomorrow. Showers will spill over for a while Saturday, but I think we'll start our clearing process by midday Saturday and then on into tomorrow night. Sunday, especially by the mid to late morning hours, we're looking really good. Temperatures will be cooler though, mid-50s for Sunday afternoon, and then we're flirting with a freezing mark here Monday morning, which I think could be a frost potential. Again, that's something else we're tracking for you. But after that, we bounce right back to the 60s and even 70s here by Wednesday. That's a check on your forecast, fresh from the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. Stay with us. We'll keep you advised.